Hi, gang. Mark Leader here. And I have to tell you how excited I am that the premier YouTube real estate marketing company in North America has booked Mark Leader to present the Listing Formula event to their past customers, to their current customers, and their future customers. So what's the Listing Formula event all about? Well, on November 20th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, for the next 90 minutes, we're going to work on some stuff to make sure that 2025 is going to be your best year ever. I'm going to teach you all about goal setting. I'm going to teach you all about lead generation. We're going to talk about the difference between online lead generation, hyperactive lead generation, proactive lead generation, and passive forms of lead generation. I'm going to teach you how to book 3 listing appointments a week and how to walk in on those listing appointments and take that listing if you choose to. Along with that, we're going to work on some objection handling techniques. If they say to you they got a friend in the business, they want to interview 3 realtors, fix it before they list, wait till spring, summer, winter, or fall, or the big one that we all deal with today is how to protect your commission. So I'm looking forward to a great day on November 20th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Click on the link below to register. And again, I want to thank my friends at AgentOnTube for booking Mark Leader and bringing in the Listing Formula event so that we can all have a great 2025. Look forward to seeing you then. And remember, listings are the name of the game.